Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted the government's commitment to enhance India's domestic food processing capacity, underscoring its critical role in ensuring national security, rural prosperity, and economic resilience. RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav's remark on scrapping the Walk-Off Act sparks controversy. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan condemned it as misleading and divisive, urging voters to reject Jungle Raj and support development. Prime Minister Narendra Modi invited the people to join the Run for Unity on Rashtriya Ekta Divas, celebrated on October 31st to honour Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This year, India will mark the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. Addressing the inauguration of the 4th India Maritime Week 2025 in Mumbai, Union Home Minister Amit Shah highlighted India's rich maritime legacy, noting that historical evidence of trade from the ancient port of Lothal to Egypt dates back to 5,000 years. Ahead of Cyclone Mantha, the Odisha government has announced closure of schools and Anganwadi centres on October 28, 29 and 30 in 8 vulnerable districts. Over 200 cyclone centres are prepared and 200 pregnant women have been shifted to safer locations. The East Coast Railway has cancelled 29 trains operating through Odisha and Andhra Pradesh between October 27 and 29 as a precautionary measure to ensure passenger safety and smooth operational management. The Odisha government has approved Rs 50 crore under the Mukhyamantri Kendu Patra Kalyan Panthi scheme for 2025-26, aiming to support over 9 lakh Kendu leaf pluckers across 22 districts with financial assistance and welfare measures. Indonesia has been named the official partner nation for historic Cuttack Baliyatra 2025, Asia's largest open-air trade fair set to begin on November 5. The announcement was made by the Cuttack District Administration. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met New Zealand Prime Minister Christopher Luxon on the sidelines of the Asian 2025 Summit in Kuala Lumpur, discussing progress in bilateral cooperation and strengthening ties between the two nations. India's ODI vice captain Shreyas Iyer has been admitted to a Sydney hospital after suffering a left rib cage injury in Saturday's match at the Sydney Cricket Ground. Indian weightlifter Pritismita Bhoi set a new youth world record at the Asian Youth Games in Bahrain, lifting 92 kg in clean and jerk and totaling 158 kg in the girls 44 kg category, clinching gold for the country.